Hello, welcome to our tutorial on button widget. Are you finding it challenging to build your app's engagement rate? Having buttons at prominent places is an excellent way to communicate with customers and help them in making smart decisions. With buttons, you can increase interactions with customers, compel users to take meaningful decisions, help users in navigating across the mobile app. How can you configure it in Swipecart? On your Swipecart dashboard, select App Design. Click the Edit icon to customize the button widget on your current design. In the Widget panel drop-down, select Button Widget. Choose a suitable style variant from the different available variants. Drag and drop the variant to the design. Let's start with Edit Style. Using the mobile screen here, you can have a preview of the alterations that you made. Are you looking to change the radius, padding, and container padding of your button widget? The next section is the button. This is where you enter the text of your button. Along with this, you can adjust the font style, font weight, font size, letter spacing, font color, and background color. You can also change the thickness of the button's border along with the border color. To add an icon for the button, enable the button icon toggle. Configure the position of the icon to be left or right. Choose a suitable color for your icon. Select an icon for the new button from the icon library. You can narrow down your search using this drop-down and choose the category based on your purpose. Then, you can select the icon style variant as thin, outline, fill. Now, select an icon. To upload a custom icon from your computer, enable the Upload Custom Icons toggle. Here, upload the desired icon from your computer. Please note that the size of your icon should not exceed 512 by 512 pixels. Finally, your button becomes ineffective unless you add a proper CTA to it. Link your button to the right page. It can be a user-defined page, system-defined page, product page, collection page, or a web URL. Wondering how each type works? Give me a few seconds to explain each type. User-defined, it refers to the new pages that you have created on the app. System-defined, it indicates the default pages already existing on the app. Product, you can configure your button to redirect to a product page. Collection, you can customize your button to redirect to a collection page. Web URL, it refers to linking to an external website URL with the option to open outside the app. Choose any one category and configure the destination link. Click Save. Now, let's see how to copy the block. Hover your mouse and select Copy Block. Once the block is copied, go to the section where you want to paste it. Select Paste Block. Now you have a copy of your original block. You can also remove this block by clicking the Remove Block option. Save the changes. If you wish to be the first to view it, select Preview to see the button on a mobile device. You also have the option to view it on your Swipecart mobile app. Click Try it on your device to scan the QR code and view your customized button on your mobile store. We'll be back with more helpful tutorials to help you with using widgets in your mobile app. If you have any issues or queries, contact our support team. Thank you for watching.